Welcome to Tallsen. We are an influential furniture hardware manufacturer. Let's speak about our quality assurance system. Incorporating German precision manufacturing and Chinese craftsmanship, we stand by our commitment to only deliver excellence and ship high-quality products across the globe. We operate from a 13,000 square meter production base and employ a workforce of over 200 people. We have invested 50 million RMB in intelligent production equipment and automated production lines to meet production demand, address capacity issues and improve efficiencies for bulk shipments. Throughout the process of production, we strictly adhere to ISO 9001 standards and have developed production quality tracking processes, records of material entering workshops, and separate management of each link in the course of production. We treat every detail with strict attention to ensure the highest level of quality. Our products are certified by professional SGS testing centers. To guarantee the quality of our products, we subject them to strict durability tests up to 50,000 circles in accordance with EN 1935 testing standards before bulk shipment. To better detect defective products, we conduct 100% random inspection and strictly follow the quality inspection manual and procedures to keep defective rates below 3%. At Tallsen, we believe that quality is the cornerstone of our products. We continuously improve the quality and also technology by implementing work reviews, organizing staff trainings, and implementing development plans at our factory. Located in Guangdong's industrial belt in China, we have strategically leveraged this geographic advantage to optimize our furniture hardware supply chain by integrating upstream and downstream supporting factories, which has allowed us to capitalize on convenient logistics and efficiently reduce procurement costs. As a result, we have expanded our reach into many countries, including the USA, Canada, UAE, countries in Southeast Asia, Mongolia, Central and South America, as well as India. If you are interested about our quality assurance system, we invite you to visit our website and learn more about it. You can also order samples with us or inquire about more information.